What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be discussing something that I just saw a person leave a comment, and I just wanted to let you guys know what I feel about it. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I'm discussing, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, today before I jump right into this video, I just want to shout out Liberty Graphics, or shout out one over at Liberty Graphics for sending me this t-shirt. I really appreciate it. Yeah, it's just representing his business. But back to the reason of this video, okay? Now, I've been doing these videos for a while, and you know, I have had people to do like super chats and different things like that, you know, for the videos when I'm on live streams and stuff like that. But doing these videos, they actually do take a lot of time to do, and especially being so detailed, you know, and trying to you know, give y'all all the information, because there's a lot of people on here that do the same thing that I do, but they don't give as much information as I do, and a lot of them get to talking about other things. You know, like if they say the video is about how to print a t-shirt, they may get to talking about some other things. I try to get straight to the point so that I'm not wasting you guys time, because I feel like time is valuable. And I just read a comment today where somebody was like, I really enjoy your videos, but the ads are too much. It's like one every 5 minutes, like just over every 5 minutes or something like that. So when I'm sitting up at 3 a.m. and I'm making these videos, you know, trying to be consistent and continue to post videos every single day, nobody is paying me to do these videos. The only way that I get any source of payment is by allowing ads to be on my videos, and this information is free. You know, I'm not charging you. It's a lot of people, if you go look at a lot of people pages, they won't tell you this information I'm telling you. You're going to have to pay for their class or pay for their downloads or whatever, sign up for their email. All this information I'm giving you is free. So, you know, if you have a problem with the ads, you can buy YouTube Premium. I have Premium. You know, I use this app called Google Answers or Google something like that. I'll put it on the screen because I can't think of the name of it, but basically it pays for my premium every month, and I don't even have to pay. All I have to do is have my phone's internet on, and when I go different places they ask me questions. Google Surveys may be the name of it, but I'm gonna put it on the screen for you guys. So I'm putting in all this hard work, and if I don't allow ads to be on my videos, then I'm just doing all this hard work for gratification, just, you know, helping people. I mean, I don't mind just helping people, but I put a lot of work in on these videos, so I feel like, you know, me allowing ads on my videos and YouTube paying me for that, and they're not paying me a lot. You know, it's just a little bit of money, something that, you know, if I have more subscribers, I can make a little bit more money. But right now I don't have that many subscribers. But, you know, I do appreciate all the subscribers that I do have, all the people that thumbs up and that do enjoy my videos and don't have a problem with the commercials. But if the commercials are a big problem, you can either get that Google app, you know, and it'll pay for it for you. You know, get YouTube Premium, that Google app can pay for you after you earn enough money for it. Or you can pay I think it's like $13 and something a month to watch the videos ad free, because I don't see any ads on my videos. So you know, just, you know, but if the ads are a problem and you can't pay the $13, or you don't have time to get the little app so that you can make the money, you know, answering questions, surveys through Google, then, I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, because it's not a lot in life that's free, and all the information that I give you, I feel like it's valuable information. A lot of people are not giving y'all the information down to the T, down to every little thing that you need, and I'm showing you my mistakes. I'm showing you, you know, pretty much everything. So, you know, if it's a problem to just watch the videos, and a lot of the ads are even skippable, you know, this may not be the channel for you, and I'm sorry. I mean, I put in a lot of work to do this. As y'all see, if y'all are subscribed to both of my channels, because I do have one channel that is actually not monetized at this time. So, you know, I'm still putting in videos every week, but sometimes I'm sleepy. You know, I have to try to, you know, stay on a schedule so that I can keep up with the days that I told you guys I'm going to have videos posted, because my plan is to, from now on, unless something huge changes, to have a video posted for you guys every single day, alternating on my 2 different channels. So hopefully this video didn't offend anyone too much and that y'all understand. So you know, hopefully, I mean, I'm not trying to get rid of subscribers. I want my channel to grow, but y'all have to understand, I'm here doing work. What if you did work, put in a lot of work, and you never got paid for it? I mean, even though YouTube doesn't pay a whole lot, but I'm trying to provide you guys with information that's going to help you make money, you know? So I appreciate you guys watching. If you liked the video or found it helpful, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to the green channel and the red channel, go ahead and subscribe to both, because I'm going to continue posting daily as long as right now, I'm going to say forever. You know, hopefully everything will allow me to do this forever. Go ahead and subscribe to both channels and hit the notification bell. And also check below this video if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use in my videos. Check below here for links. And I will see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.